Yeah. Look. Nake happy. Nake happy. Ke happy. Mama kawena ke happy. Ke happy. Mama kawena ke happy.
Hey yo, what's up boys? I'm back on another video channel for me. On today's video, doing something different again, you feel me? And I'm here with
video. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jade, the chocolate from Ladies Plus. Step us about okay doing for the love of cookies in the
Hey guys. So guys, on today's video, then request it's okay. If we not a kidnapping prank in our parents, you feel me? Today is the day, so we're going to prank lesser years. You feel me? We're dropping bangers after bangers. Got time, shit. Road to 50k, you feel me? Without wasting time, organjani. Ha! Let's get into the video. So
Sanbonan,
Yeah,
Ninja,
Prince.
Kuluma no mama kami team.
Ukhuluma naye.
Ya, nginomntana wakho la ngikhona.
Umenzani? Ubani nje wena?
Hayi ningawari, mara nginomntana wenu la ngikhona.
Umenzani?
Umntana wenu akamameli, uyagaga.
Ngoba akuyena wakho.
mama.
Umntana wenu akamameli wenu uyagaga.
Uhlushwe yini ngoba kuyena wakho?
Qahamuka inkinga.
Qahamuka inkinga yani yona le?
Mama.
Qahamuka inkinga la.
Ngiphi inkinga bikade ivela kuphi?
Awamethemba akamameli.
Akamameli? Kanti ingane yakho ukumethela? Kanti ingane yakho yini le?
Angithi ngiyanitshela.
Lalela ke uzongisiza ukuthi uyidedele ingane yami. Noma ngabe yini lo yenza kuyena uyidedele.
Angithi sizakhuluma kwamanje. Ngisasho.
Mama.
Hey! Lokothi mina ngani?
Ngisasho namanje ukuthi ngidedele kuzofuneka something.
Yini leyo oyifunayo?
50,000.
2,000?
50.
Bhalelo wena uzongithola ama 2,000.
Phela kwamanje asebenzi ngayo.
Ngithola imali uzongitshela ukuthi 2,000 uzongithola uzoyithola undakhona mntana.
50.
Hawu. 50,000? Musukunya.
Mama phela sidlali la.
Ubani obakade kuthiwa kanjani? Uqapha imali ikhiwa esihlahleni.
Okay, khuluma nengane yakho kwamagcina ke.
Okugcina?
Mama.
Ya.
Mama labantu.
Khuluma qede sibaba.
Mama labantu bayangishaya.
Bakushaya. Ungadudanga ngaphi?
Mama labantu bayangishaya.
So my le 50,000 ongena ni. 50,000.
Kodwa ngeke lize niluke ke.
Hayi ke sho ukuthi iphelile ke yini kwamanje. Angithi kwamanje sakhuluma ukuthi soyithola or kanjani.
Ngikwenza ingane yami ifoni ungangihlangisi wena.
Soyithola or kanjani le mali.
Kodwa ufuna malini?
50,000.
Uzonikwa nyoko. Uyaqala 9 months ngoba nami njengoba ngithole yami 9 months.
Mina ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyenzani. Ngisho ukuthi anisamfuni uMethembu.
imali le ngasayifuni.
Uyaganga ngithi.
Uyaganga wenzeni? Wenzeni?
Siyayithola le 50,000 or kanjani?
Lutho-ke nje. Ingane yami izongisiza ngoba ngiyahamba manje ngiyemaphoyiseni bese ngiyayileta.
Nizosithola kuphi?
Uyabona-ke mina ngikuceleke.
Khuluma naye kwamagcini.
Zulu ngihamba ney'nkabi. Wazise phela ukuthi la ukhona manje.
Mama Sithukanga.
Kufanele ngisho kwabakini bonke ubatshela ukuthi wena uyabaguqanyawo.
Mama ngiyishangani? Sithukanga.
Uyishange mali obukade uyisebenzele leyo mali leyo. Mina ngiyakutshela-ke ngithi uyabona njengoba ulapho-ke ngoba ngizoyithola ingane yami. Wazise nawe ukuthi kahle kahle usihambile la emhlabeni wena.
Mama.
No.
Want to cool when it's like, Mama.
Mama asinalanga lonke siyayithola le mali or kanjani?
Wabhuti ungangihlangisi yazwani mina ngiyakwazi ukuyihlangela mathuba. Uzongisiza-ke uyiyekele ingane yami ngoba kwamali befuna ngeke uzuyithole.
Okay, akunankinga ke. Baba yini? Come on.
Oh, keep his power, must push him.
Mama. Mama kamethembi. Into yamagcina ne. Ayi prank.
We ungizongitshwala amasingona
Awu umethembi nimbuzeni kahle makafika endlini.
Angikaze la ngoba sekufanele nenkambi zami lapha ngithi akaze la manje.
Mama sorry prank.
Wena kuya
Mama phambi kwabantu. Mara mama.
Ngiphambi kwabantu okuba nendaba yini mina lapha uqosho ungikhathisa ngenhliziyo la uzoba nje ngenduku-ke manje.
Mama ufuna bathi bathi uyangishaya kanti.
Khona-ke leyo udila ngayo-ke udila ngayo nayo wonke umuntu.
Sorry mama ngizokufonela ne. Cooked. I'm cooked, dog. I'm cooked. JC now. I'm cooked, boy.
Cooked, boy. They asked for what?
I'm cooked. I'm cooked.
They asked for it, boy. They gotta give them, boy.
Okay, now you're calling your mother.
Let's call Tapus's mom.
No, your mother, dog.
I'll be last.
So can I wait, Joe?
Yeah.
I
Mama go.
Send the lead it out.
Remember. Man, this is saying you calling Mama Gachi. You feel me? That is in the chat.
This must be where to do this.
Mama has English. Mama can call me say English, man. Mama Gachi. Good morning, Mom.
Good morning.
I'm speaking to Mom, Jay's mom.
Speaking.
So, Mama, Jay's mom, you have a problem here with your child.
Problem?
Yes.
Anything?
Mama, can you please stop talking too much? I'm saying your child have a problem. You hear me?
What problem does my child have?
Leave me alone. Let me speak until I'm done.
Take it out. Okay, speak.
So, I'm giving your child 6 hours. You need to send me 50,000. I'm giving you 6 hours.
6 hours, 50,000.
I will kill your child. Now. Don't play with me, yeah. Don't play with me now. I will kill your child now.
You will kill my child for 50,000.
Mama, Oga, I'm talking to you now. You will send that 50,000 or
Oga, I'm talking. I
You'll send that 50,000 or how?
I will not send any 50,000.
So we'll kill your child.
Hey, just moment.
What?
My child.
Ogana, speak now. Speak now. Time is going. Speak now. Speak now.
Kidnapping one for 50,000.
I'm not kidnapping. Otherwise, I'll take him to Nigeria right now.
I will call the cops on you. Trust me.
Don't play with me. Don't play with me. You're playing with fire.
I'm not even playing. I'm dead serious. I will call the cops.
You sending this 50,000 or how?
I'm not sending any 50,000. I'm calling cops now.
So I wanna give you two and like 50 seconds to talk to your child. You feel?
Baby.
Hey, come on. Come.
When am I kidnapped about drugs? Maswiti, uno mukaka ubraiba ke maswiti.
Ogana, speak now.
For my sweets, 50,000 wena.
Ogana, speak now. I'll speak now.
What? Nako bicha maphungisa tsa 50,000 in 6 hours akina na go.
Ogana, come now. Don't cry now. Speak to your mother. Let me send you that 50,000 naira. Oga. Mama, it's nonsense. Okay.
I don't have time for this nonsense. I'm calling the cops now.
Call the cops now. You waiting now. You killing your child right now. Now you sending that 50,000.
I'm not sending any 50,000. I said I'm calling the cops.
Give me that 15,000 naira now.
There's no 50,000 that you're getting from me. I am calling the cops. Give me that 50,000. Give me that 50,000.
God bless you now.
I'm telling you, prank. Mama, bona, mom. Ki prank.
Pranky.
Yeah, nero prank for Mother's Day.
Prank.
So.
Pranky ki dilo mangwen.
Ogana, stop talking now.
Ki prank, mama, nero dala.
Lilala no re. What's king?
Bye-bye.
You trophy, kwatile boy.
When I have a mama, Shay cherry and I'm so bored and done. And I'm a cherry.
Ogana, speak now.
By to 10, boy.
It's a 10 boy.
10, baby.
Not just cover, man. You cook it.
Who you calling? You say your mom's at church now?
Yeah, my mom is at church right now.
Boy, but you have a plan. There's someone that you can call, boy. Can you call him?
So guys, mbonile mos. Mama kajimi lebengafuni utshela mama kajimi ukuthi prank. Those niggas like bafithe kumele ngisibachela ukuthi prank.
Lokho sutshelile ba. Awukrem. Nepeta. Okay.
Sonela bana.
Antwana.
Abe simdisturb esontweni mama mfethu. Simdisturb esontweni abizi. Our Father who art in heaven. Hail be thy name, thy I do it.
And I prefer
After you day. Hello, mom.
Hello.
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 Is this Tabisa's auntie?
Hello.
Is this Tabisa's auntie?
Yeah.
We have a big issue here.
Issue?
Yeah. We have Tabiso now. We're in we're in a secret place with Tabiso here and like the one like.
Ogana, speak real quick now.
I've Tabiso here, like, we want 50,000.
50,000 for what?
With Tabiso here, Tabiso is a very problematic child.
Okay.
So we have him now, and now us want 50,000.
I don't understand. 50,000 for what?
I say we have Tabiso now here.
You took my niece.
Yeah.
Auntie, now you give her 50,000 or how? We keep.
Guys, wait. Let's go Tabiso.
Hey.
Let's go Tabiso.
We go
Man.
kill.
We
Wait,
go
wait,
kill
I don't know. Guys,
Tabiso.
wait.
Chinyeke, where you go listen to me now,
Hello.
wow. You go listen to me or like you will talk with me now.
I'm listening.
And like, no, now I'm wasting my time. So like, if this child, I could have been eating my jollof rice.
Why are you killing him?
Hey, your child is very problematic child, man.
English. If you tell this thing, I'm gonna call the police.
Call now. We're waiting now. We're killing your child now.
Police are our best friend here in South
I'm
Africa.
gonna call the police. Okay.
No, we go take him to
I'm
Lagos now. If you don't give me 50,000 now, we will take him to Lagos.
People, why did you take him?
Us wanna sell his kidneys, so we go kill him and take his kidneys. So us want 50,000 from you.
Why? I want to know.
Because he's fresh and we us want good kidney.
I don't understand, guys. Why Namuteri?
We want good kidney.
Why?
Because us want money now. Why you go ask so many questions now?
Okay, kill him. I don't have a problem. Kill him. You will know me. Lawyer one by one. I'm gonna lawyer.
Mama, we as we do voodoo now.
Okay, no problem. Nigeria plus Limpopo. Bona, kill him.
You play. You play.
Kill him.
You play witchcraft as we play voodoo.
Okay, it's fine. Play whatever that you are playing.
Mom,
kill
listen
him.
now. We're giving you a chance to
That
speak.
is why you say-
Listen now.
Yeah,
Listen now. You're gonna kill your child, though.
Ah,
Listen now.
Kill
Listen.
him.
Hey, speak to your child before. We give you.
Hey, speak to your child there for 2 minutes now, cause like speak to your child
I want
there.
to kill my niece. Kill him.
Hey.
I won't give you the money. Last time.
Hey.
Hello.
Hello.
Tabiso. Hello.
Tabiso. Agro atondro ko ha walo ya ke. You're gonna resurrect. Don't worry. Let them kill you. I won't give them the money. Let them kill you. You are red on the 7th day. Don't worry.
Abo.
You want the money. Hello.
You go give us the money.
You give us the money now, like.
Tabiso.
Okay.
Hello. Kill him. He's gonna resurrect it when I know.
Isaac.
Should I kill Nana?
Now give Esido gun.
You go kill now.
We go kill you. We go see heaven today.
I'm coming, baby. I'm watching you right now.
You see now, we have time to play now.
I
It's time
think
to.
I'm joking.
Yeah, you have time to play now. You play witchcraft. Us play voodoo. We are guidance from Nigeria's protection kingdom.
Let me tell you, Jub. Do you know?
Wait. One more thing to tell you now. Wait, one more thing to tell you now.
Okay.
It's a prank.
Fuck you.
Tawiyo said you should prank you now.
I get prank as keys.
You Tropili. Oh, Tropili.
Crazy shit.
Yeah, crazy shit. Yo, my secret. I'm just prank. As you saw that, man, you're cooking something on the highest level. For me.
The highest level.
let's warm our hands.
Polokwane ke legae la diposo Sushi ke a China or Hong Kong Papa singing nature Limpopo Ja papa be monna o be strong Polokwane ke legae la diposo Sushi ke a China or Hong Kong Papa singing nature Limpopo Ja papa be monna